Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryam, and in today's video, I will be giving you guys 7 tips to help you guys with online school. To be honest and say that staying motivated this semester was a complete challenge. There was multiple days where I just felt like doing nothing, and I'm the type of person to feed off of people's energies. So when I'm at the library or at school where I can see other people work hard, it really pushes me to work harder. So when I was at home where I had no one to study with, it was very hard to just keep myself going and keep pushing myself. So these are just 7 tips that really helped me get through the term and stay motivated. Alright, so my first advice is not to define yourself based on the marks you get. This was a huge problem that I faced in high school, so I knew that this was something that I had to work on in university. So what I tried to do was, instead of thinking about marks all the time, I tried to set goals for myself to focus more on instead of focusing so much on marks. Also, what I noticed was that in university, I didn't get the same satisfaction when getting a super high mark. So instead of spending so much time on perfecting my assignments and aiming for that 4.0 GPA, I spent more time on myself, growing myself, meeting new people, applying to co-ops, applying to clubs, and honestly, that satisfaction from meeting new people, making a new friend was so much more rewarding than getting a 90% on a math assignment. And this really helped me to stay more motivated on my work and my personal goals instead of being so caught up in school and just getting that 4.0 GPA that everyone wants, but at the end of the day, it's not that important. Alright, so my second advice is changing around your room. If you're like me and you're in your room for like 8+ hours a day, it can be draining just staring at the same wall for a long period of time. So try to move around some furniture if you're able to, or get a few pieces for your room to make a little bit of a change. So what I recommend is plants. They have really helped my room just stand out a little bit more. I also got a few frames for my room because I do have a lot of blank walls, so I got picture frames. My sister also got me LED lights for Christmas, so I put it around my furniture. I also got shelves and a bunch of fake plants because, if you know me, I cannot take care of real plants, so I got a lot of small, cute, fake plants from Amazon, and I'll link the stuff that I got down below because I think that they made a huge change into my room, and honestly, I get so much happier when I come in here, and it does help me with my motivation because, like I said, your environment does really make an impact on your mood. My third tip is something that I started doing near the end of the semester because I was starting to lose a bit of motivation. So what I did was I wrote 4 goals down for each month. I made sure that these goals for each month weren't school related. So what I did was I would write things like go outside, work out, join a club meeting, stuff like that. So things that aren't really school related but kept me more motivated because I realized that if I stayed home for more than 3 days in a row, I would start feeling drained and not be able to focus on my work for a long period of time, which was not good because I would take a lot of breaks, and on those breaks I would usually go on social media and watch a YouTube video, and so it didn't really help me get work done. So taking a short 20-minute walk in your neighborhood really does help you get back on track and feel more energized while doing work. So definitely try to write 4 personal goals for each month to help you stay accountable for your own health, which will help you in staying productive in school in the long run. Alright, number 4 is make sure to talk to your friends. I know that sometimes you just can forget or you're busy with school, but remember that Your friends are very important to staying sane during such stressful times. So try to plan at least like once a week or twice a month to talk to your friends, FaceTime them. I know it's not the same as meeting up with a friend and getting coffee or bubble tea, but it does help you with your mental health, and when you have a positive mindset, you'll be able to get more schoolwork done. So just keep that in mind. My next tip is a simple one, but such an important and effective tip for staying motivated, and that is to drink water and exercise. I can't stress this enough. At the beginning of the semester, I was barely drinking a cup of water a day, and after getting a mason jar and a metal straw, I started drinking so much more water, and I did see an improvement in just my overall mood throughout the day. When I drink water, I can stay more on top of my tasks for a longer period of time, whereas in the beginning of the semester I would get so tired by 6 p.m. and then I would just shut off by like 9 p.m. But drinking water does help you, and I didn't realize how much it helps one. And not only does it help you with your skin, it also helps you with productivity. And also, working out is very, very, very important. I remember one time during the semester, I was super stuck on this CS problem and I couldn't get it to work, and I didn't know why, and I was just super frustrated and nothing was working. But after going on a walk and doing a 10-minute Pamela Reif ab workout, I was able to fix my problem in such a short period of time, and it just showed me how much of a difference working out and drinking water makes to someone. It's a super simple tip, but something that so many people forget, including myself. So drink your water and work out. So my next tip is accepting the fact that some days you're just not gonna have a productive day. And this happened to me a lot, especially near the end of the semester where we were almost done but not done yet, and I was just getting so exhausted with school, and just the weather was also becoming very gloomy. But on those days, try to give yourself a break. When it happened to me, I wouldn't really give myself a break, and I would just try to push myself to get a few questions done for my assignments, and nothing was getting done. I was just getting more frustrated with myself, and what I realized was that it was a sign from my body that I had to take a break and to take care of myself. So on those days, I would try to go on a walk, exercise, get myself a nice hot drink from Starbucks, or get bubble tea. I would also put a face mask on and take a long shower. And the next day, or a couple hours later, I felt more energized and I was able to get my work done quicker. Alright, so my 7th tip and my last tip is learning how you organize your time. Just gaining the skill of time management will be such an essential key in staying motivated. Some people like online planners, and other people like myself like physical planners. So seeing what works best for you and your schedule is such a key to staying motivated. And you can try different methods and see what works best for you. But yeah, make sure you organize your time and write down tasks you want to do for the day. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. If you have any advice with staying motivated, make sure to comment them down below and I would love to read them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!